She is Mrs. Manjula Venkatesan, who has spoken in a very clear way about her purpose of life. She is a successful homemaker as well as a sweet mother and a friendly grandmother, and let us be benefited by her experienced talk. And I thank profusely Mrs. Manjula Venkatesan. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Manjula Venkatesan. I am here to share my opinion about what is life. What is life? It is an easily asked question, simple question. But the answer to this question varies from person to person. In a simple manner, we can say that life is the time span between birth and death of any living being. But in the wider prospects, it is a very long journey with many ups and downs that a person has to travel through to reach his final destination. Being born in this planet itself is a privilege for humans. But how we lead the life is what matters more. The three main components, namely the body, the mind, and the soul, are instrumental in guiding us through our journey called life. Positivity and negativity are the two paths that lie in front of us as options. It is for us to choose the right path. As we all know, negativity would always land us in trouble, whereas positivity, beyond all odds, would definitely lead us to success and salvation. So be positive, be sincere and straightforward in whatever you do or say. Listen to your conscience, it will never fail you. Happiness is found within ourselves. We should try to be happy and contented with whatever we have achieved or attained. We should never compare ourselves with others because each person is unique in their own way. When a person is happy, he would definitely create a good vibe in him, which in turn would help people around him also to be happy. At present, we live in a world where a peaceful coexistence is a need of the hour. We should try to respect others' feelings, learn to help each other, and treat everyone as equals. கூடி வாழ்ந்தால் கோடி நன்மை. நாமும் நலமாக வாழ வேண்டும், மற்றவர்களும் நலமாக வாழ உதவி செய்ய வேண்டும். So, to conclude, I would say our motto should be live and let live. Thank you.